Guys, nakakatawa talaga yung experience namin sa Hertz. Tell you the story later. Kasi para siyang basta, hindi ko ma-explain. Guys, may technical difficulty agad itong Tesla, guys. Kaya, change Tesla tayo. Where is he now? Ay, sa picture blue. Guys, ang mga ignorante ng electric cars, guys.
In 2.2 kilometers, turn right onto Northwest 7th Street.
Nanibago ko sa palablab sa mga, syempre, traffic rules at sa mga roads.
There's like the seat heater is on.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa T-Mobile para magpa-connect ng wireless internet. Ayan, for the duration of our holidays. Why is it important to get connected to the internet?
So we can look up things.
What?
We can listen to music.
Music lang pala. Ang Tesla, guys. Electric car. Kasi ang daming features na very useful. So we have made it to our hotel for this night, for tonight. So we're just going to check in, guys. Tapos maligo, tapos we're going to have dinner. We're going to have dinner. Or something. Drive guys, for first dinner namin sa US. Guess where we are? We're in McDonald's. Oh my God, we're so sleepy, guys. So McDonald's kami, guys, kasi mga 9 na kami dumating sa hotel. Tapos ayun, galing nga kami sa T-Mobile, na tagalan kami sa car rental. Ayun, so kakain mo kami ng dinner, guys. So hi guys, we're getting ready for breakfast. It's still 6:40 in the morning. So I woke up around 4 o'clock in the morning. Jet lag is a bish. Jet lag is a bish. A bish. You know what I mean? Baka bawal dito magmura. So we're going, guys. Ang buhok ko talaga parang pang... Meron silang guys, waffle maker. Ito yung uso sa US, o yung ikaw lang ang hala mahal, it's dripping. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Did I put too much? I think he already rotated it even before. Meron silang bacon, meron silang potatoes, sausage, tapos egg. Breakfast, guys, very unhealthy. Bacon, boiled egg, yan. Tapos ito, tapos palablap naman, trying to eat healthy.
What is
chickpeas?
it's the typical American breakfast.
So yun nga, guys, gusto ko i-explain yung nangyari kahapon sa car rental agency, no. So ayun nga, the first car namin reserve is yung car na ginagamit namin ngayon. So originally the price was around, how much was it for the whole 3 weeks?
Sorry?
For Tesla, how much? 900? 1,000?
1,000, yeah.
Yeah, so it was 1,000 something for 3 weeks. Tapos may mga charges pa, no, mga extra charges, blah 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 blah. So umabot ng $1,400 dollars yung nabayaran namin sa original na aming na reserve. So pagdating namin doon, so merong mga yung mga chika-chika ba, mga chika-chika, oh baka gusto niyo ito na lang na car, o kasi pag electric, pag mupunta kayo ng ng national parks, baka walang mga charging stations, etc. 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 So napaisip si Palablab, sabi niya, ay oo nga, kasi nga last time din na pumunta kami sa California, yung nirent namin is actually yung BMW, tapos nagka-issue yung BMW, tapos pinalitan ng Mitsubishi Outlander na SUV. Tapos, ayun, it went perfectly smoothly. Tapos ito, may may yung original price na ni-reserve namin sa Tesla, plus nagdagdag siya ng upgrade. Tapos, ayan, gusto niyo ng insurance for the both of you. Tapos, it was $7.59 each day for the both of us. So, that's 14 times the number of days. So, dumagdag na yun. Tapos, meron pang insurance sa car. Plus, dinagdag pa niya. Tapos, pag maiwan yung susi sa sasakyan, blah, 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 blah. Insurance din, dinagdag na. Lahat dinagdag na. So, ang total na babayaran namin, pagkakita ko sa computer screen niya, 2,600 guys. Mga round up na natin. Mga 2,597 or 2,547. Something like that. Basta, sabi ko, hala, yan yung price? Sabi niya, for the number of days na nagagamitin yung sasakyan. Tapos sabi ko, ha? Ang mahal naman yan? Parang budget na namin yan sa buong holiday. Imagine, 2,500. So sabi ko, hala? So si Mahal, ready na siya magbayad. So sabi ko, ay wag mo na. Saglit, wait. So ayan, sabi ko, ba't ang dami-daming charges? O itong insurance, ano to? Nagprint siya ng parang kopya. Sabi niya, ito yung mga insurance. Sabi ko, tanggalin yan. Kasi meron na kaming insurance sa Europe. Tapos ito, tanggalin din yan. Ayan, bahala na yung key pag maiwan sa loob. Tanggalin din yan. So, tinanggal lahat. Parang, ang mahal pa rin. $1,857 or $47. Sabi ko, hala. Kasi ang na-expect ko mga around 1,000, 1,100, 1,200. Sabi ko lang, ang mahal, ang sakit pa rin, ang sakit bayaran ng 1,800 something. Tapos, what else did she do? Because the third time, it went down to 1,500 something.
Yeah, she added other stuff.
Yeah, but from 2,500 to 1,800 and then 1,500. Tapos, kinausap niya yung manager niya. Tapos, sabi ko Kapalablab, you know what? Let's just stick to our reservation. Ay, perfume na naman.
This one is not so strong.
You always say that.
This one you like.
Yeah, but I like it when I'm in the mood. So, ayun na sabi ko, let's just stick to the electric car. Kasi hindi ko maintindihan yung mga charges. Nag-reserve tayo ng electric car, tapos pag pinalitan natin ng ibang sasakyan na hindi masyadong mahal, dinagdag pa niya yung parang yung original na ni-reserve namin. Sabi ko parang, it doesn't make any sense. So, let's just stick to reservation. So, ayun, ang total na binayaran namin mga $1,400 guys, $1,400 for the whole duration of the holiday. So, yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit kami natagalan doon sa car agency kahapon. Kasi nga, imagine, 2,500. Sabi ko, ay wag, maglalakad tayo. Ng bonggang-bongga. So, yan guys, we're going to get ready now. Nag-breakfast na kami. Tapos, it was a quick breakfast. Tapos, we're on our way now to actually, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta guys. We're just going up north. Tapos, we'll play it by ear kung saan kami magpapadpad. We ready?
Yes.
Yay! I'm gonna brush my teeth now. So guys, nandito kami sa charging stations over there. Oh. To your left there, charging stations. First time namin mag-charge. Hala. You have to, there in the middle. Kasi ang sabi guys, you have to charge, you have to leave a parking space in between para madali ang pag-charge, para hindi ma-divide ang electricity something. So we don't know how it's going to work because first time ng mga ng mga ignorante guys. Tapos tumawag kami sa kanilang hotline service. It was little to no help actually, pero we're going to find it out now. So let's go with us. Let's go with us, sabi. Come with us. Let's go. There's the cable. I think there's the cable. Kainit, parang Pilipinas. Krrrng! And then, what's happening? Charging. Is this supercharger? 2A. It says 2C. What does it say? There's charging now. Tapos, let's see kung sa screen. And is it? Their price, 39
Per kilowatts.
per kilowatt.
How much?
So ito yung guys, ito yung price, tapos ito yung session cost. So $1.17. Tapos pag idle fee, tapos nagcha-charge ka na fully charged na, meron sa additional charge na 50 cent per minute. So kailangan wag tatanga-tanga. Tadang!
4 minutes.
What kind of lizard is that? Hala, what kind of lizard is that way?
I don't know.
Went under the car. Guys, ang mababayaran namin guys is $14.43 for charging it up to 95%. Ayan, I'm sweating like a pig because we did not turn on the air conditioning while charging.
In 500 feet, stay straight.
So guys, we have arrived at our first destination. I'm laughing because it's the outlet, guys. We're going to have lunch pa guys. We're stopping over for lunch and nothing else, okay?
Nothing else good.
So this is Florida something outlet, Orlando Outlet Marketplace. So we're going to have lunch. We're looking for a charging station, huh? Just gonna park here. I think it is a charging station. There must be. In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Tayo guys kasi gutom na ang mga lula nyo guys. So guys, nandito pa rin kami sa outlet. Nag-lunch na kami. Tapos tingnan nyo yung shoes guys. Super laki. Tingnan nyo. Tadaan. Ang laki ng shoes. Lak. Giant yung shoes as in. Nilibre ko kayo guys kung ganito ang nyo sa size ng shoes. Kasi ang mura lang, tingnan nyo ha. Dollars lang. Sale na siya from 160 to 20 kasi walang bumibili. Grabe. Wala po busy sa kanyang shopping. Grabe guys, ang init. So galing kami sa tawag dyan. Yun yung mukha ko. Sa outlet nga. Pag out namin, pag sakay namin sa sasakyan, super init. Tapos ang aircon ang bagal. So wala kaming tubig. Na from here ba kayo magkakasakit na ganyan, no? Init, tapos aircon, tapos init. Next time we have to park under a shade. We have to be very smart about it. Hi guys. Naiwan sa Palablab doon sa charging station guys kasi syempre magcha-charge. Tapos since dinala kami dito sa sa may Florida Mall, sabi ko bibili ako ng tubig Palablab kasi I don't wanna get dehydrated, pero parang Parang madi-dehydrate na ako ba? Ha? Tawag ka mo. Tapos sabi ko ay punta ako at bibili ako ng tubig. Kasi yun nga. Tapos yun, sabi niya sige, ikaw na lang kasi siya daw magbabantay doon sa ano. Kasi guys, pag ma-overcharge, mag-idle charge, mahal ang bayad per minute. I think $1, depende. So, sige. 34 degrees pala dito guys. 34 degrees. Ang init. Mas mainit pa siya sa Pilipinas.
Here we go, mga grabe, ang laki. Ang laki na kang dami-dami shops din. Tapos, all I need to